Good morning, my dear students. This is Unit 2, Number Theory, Lecture 1. Introduction, Number System. So, first main number system is complex numbers, set of complex numbers denoted by C. It is divided into two parts. R, set of real numbers. I, set of imaginary numbers. Real number set divided into two sets. Q, set of rational numbers. Q dash, set of irrational numbers. This set of rational numbers divided into two parts. Z, set of integers. F, set of fractions. Set of integers divided into two parts. W, set of whole numbers. Z minus, set of negative integers. W divided into two parts. N, set of natural numbers. 0. This is the number system. So clearly, what is our n capital N? Set of natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. What is your W? Including 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. Z minus, so negative integers. -1, -2, -3, so on, infinity. Z, negative integers, 0, positive integers. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on, infinity. This is our Z. Fractions, already we know fractions. Set of fractions, 3 types: proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, etc. Q, set of rational numbers, P by Q form. PQ belongs to Z, but Q not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number. This is the definition of rational number. So Q dash, set of irrational numbers. You write examples: root 2, cube root 2, fourth root 3, cube root of 3 by 2, etc. Set of real numbers, set of all, above all numbers, nothing but set of real numbers. Imaginary numbers, root -1, root -2, root -3, etc. Complex numbers of the form a plus ib, such that ab belongs to R, real numbers. This is the introduction part. Now actual syllabus starts. Integers. So what is Z? Set of so on, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So negative integers, 0, positive integers. Z plus 1, 2, 3, so on, infinity. This is nothing but set of positive integers. Z minus -1, -2, -3, so on. Set of negative integers. Your Z is nothing but Z minus union, set 0, union, Z plus. Now, properties of integers. properties of integers. First one is closure property. Closure property. A star B belongs to Z. For all A comma B belongs to Z. A, B are integers. A star B is also an integer. Is called closure property. Here star is a binary operation. Star denotes plus addition or into multiplication. Star denotes addition or into multiplication. We have 4 operations in numbers. 4 main operations in numbers. Number 1 is addition. Number 2 is subtraction. Number 3 is multiplication. Number 4 is division. Instead of addition, subtraction, use the symbol plus. Instead of multiplication, division, use symbol into. Instead of plus, into, use star symbol, circle plus symbol, circle plus dot symbol. So star means either plus or into. Why we use addition subtraction for plus symbol? Why you use for both multiplication division for into symbol? What is the reason? A minus B can be written as A plus minus B. So subtraction is nothing but in another form of addition. A by B is equal to A into 1 by B. So division is in another form of, we can express division as multiplication like this. We can express subtraction as addition like this. So instead of addition subtraction, use addition. Instead of multiplication division, we use multiplication. Note. So what is closure property? A, B are integers. A star B is also an integer. Here star means addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. So AB belongs to Z implies A plus B, sum of two integers, is also an integer. A minus B is also an integer. A into B, product of two integers, is also an integer. A by B, A divided B, not an integer. Not an integer. Example, 2, 3 are integers. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 is also an integer, belongs to Z. 2 minus 3 minus 1 is also an integer belongs to Z. 2 into 3 6 is an integer belongs to Z. 2 by 3 not belongs to Z. So division is not a binary operation on Z. Addition, comma, subtraction, multiplication are closer in Z, but division is not closure property in Z. Second property, associative property. A star B star C is equal to associative property. A star B star C is equal to A star B star C for all A B C belongs to Z is called associative property. If star is addition, A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C for all A B C belongs to Z. If star is multiplication, A into B into C is equal to A into B into C for all A B C belongs to Z. A minus B minus C not equal to A minus B minus C. So clearly subtraction is not associative property in Z. Identity property. There exists E belongs to Z such that A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A for all A belongs to Z is called identity property. Here is called identity element. In addition, E is equal to 0. A plus 0 is equal to A is equal to 0 plus A. In multiplication, E is equal to 1. Identity element E is equal to 1. A into 1 is equal to A is equal to 1 into A. So in addition, E is equal to 0, identity element. In addition, identity element is 0. In multiplication, identity element is 1. By satisfying these properties like this. 4. Inverse property. There exists B belongs to Z such that A star B is equal to E is equal to B star A for all A belongs to Z is called inverse property. Here B is inverse of element A. Inverse element of A. That is right. In addition, B is equal to minus A plus minus a is equal to 0 is equal to minus a plus a. In multiplication, b is equal to 1 by a into 1 by a is equal to 1 is equal to 1 by a into a. So e means e is equal to 0 in addition, e is equal to 1 in multiplication. So additive inverse of a is minus a. So additive inverse of a is minus a. Multiplicative inverse of a is 1 by a. 1 by a. But 1 by a does not belong to Z. Example, multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 by 2. But 1 by 2 not belongs to Z. Fractions. Fraction does not belong to integers. So clearly multiplication inverse of any element does not exist in Z. Does not exist in Z. Fifth property, commutative property. Commutative property. A star B is equal to B star A for all A comma B belongs to Z is called commutative property. Commutative property. A star B is equal to B star A for all A comma B belongs to Z is called commutative property. Note, A plus B is equal to B plus A for all A B belongs to Z. 2 comma 3 belongs to Z. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 3 plus 2. A into B is equal to B into A for all A B belongs to Z. Example 3 4 belongs to Z. 3 into 4 nothing but 12 is equal to 4 into 3. So commutative multiplication is commutative property. But A minus B not equal to B minus A. 2 minus 3 not equal to 3 minus 2. Minus 1 not equal to 1. Similarly, this is subtraction. Division, A by B not equal to B by A. Example, 2 by 3 not equal to 3 by 2. 2, 3 belongs to Z. 2, 3 belongs to Z. 2, 3 are integers, but 2 by 3 not equal to 3 by 2. So, addition and multiplication satisfies commutative property on Z. So, addition and multiplication satisfy commutative property on Z. but subtraction comma division are not commutative on Z. Sixth one, distributive property. Distributive property. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. For all A, B, C belongs to Z. A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. For all A, B, C belongs to Z are called distributive properties. Distributive properties on Z. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 4. That is 2, 3, 4 belongs to Z, integers. This is the example. 2 into B plus C, 3 plus 4 is nothing but 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4. Check it. 7 into 2, 14, 6 plus 8, 14. Okay. Similarly, 2 into 3 minus 4 is equal to 2 into 3 minus 2 into 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1 minus 2. Here 6 minus 8 is also minus 2. No problem. It satisfies. Even integer 2k such that k belongs to Z is set of all even integers giving values to k 1, 2, 3 which are integers. We get 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2, 4, 6, so on. Even integers. Odd integer definition. Set of 2k plus 1 such that k belongs to Z is nothing but set of all odd integers giving values to k 1, 2, 3, so on belongs to Z. We get 3, 5, 7. K is equal to 1, we get 3. K is equal to 2, we get 5. K is equal to 3, we get 7. So 3, 5, 7, so on. Odd integers. Very, very important concept. Divisibility. Divisibility. Let A comma B be any two integers with A not equal to 0. With A not equal to 0. Then we say that A divides B if there is an integer means negative or positive, whatever it may be, x such that B is equal to A into x. We write it as A, read as A divides B. A divides B. Divide symbol. Slash form. Or B is divisible by a. Note, if a does not divide b, we write as a not divides b. Note, a divides b means a divides b, or a is a divisor of b, or b is a multiple of a. That is the meaning. Example, 2 divides 8. So write symbolically 2 divides 8. 3 does not divide 7. So you write 3 does not divides 7. Symbolically you write like this. Symbolically you write like this. Okay.